Welcome back to Dropout Trades, everybody. In this video, I have something very special for you. So everybody always came and said, oh, it's impossible to trade unless you have $25,000 in your account because of the PDT rule. And these professional traders are trading with 100K, 200K plus accounts. So obviously it's going to be easy for them to make money. Now, I decided to start a little experiment this week. So this Monday, I funded a brand new account with $300. So I wanted to show you guys and also see for myself how far I can take this account, and to show that it is possible. Now, it has been a while since I've traded with a $300 account, I'll tell you that. But it's going to be fun for me, it's a fun experiment for me and it's a good experience for everybody here to see that it is possible. And it's going to be a good, good cool journey to watch. So if it's something that interests you and you do want to see the steps that I'm taking along the way, so stick around because I'm going to show you guys all of the confirmations for the trades and how much the account is on at the end of the week after 5 days of trading. Now with this account, I'm going to keep it full 100 transparency. I'm going to show you guys all the entries, all the exits, confirmations, also the balances of the account, and we'll see how far we can take it, this year. Now, I will tell you, I more than 10x this account in this week. That's not usual, okay? I had a very good week in my personal account and also in this $300 challenge account. Now, let me clarify a few things before we get started. As we start growing this account, it's going to be a little harder and get harder and harder to scale it because not every single week is going to be this good of a week. And when you're trading with more money, it's a lot harder to scale it faster, as fast as you're doing with a small account like this. And I'll explain it as we go through, but here, let's get into all the trades and confirmations and the balances. Okay, so as you can see over here, funds received, $300. That's when I funded the account on June 5th, 2023, which was this Monday. Now, option purchase, that was the first option that we purchased and the first trade of the week. So I was trading the SPY. You can see that it was SPY puts. Quantity, which is how many contracts, is 14 contracts. The price of each contract is 20 cents, which is times 100, so it's $20 a contract. There is fees for the trades here, so it's $2.89 and 10 cents. You can see over here transaction date, which was 06/05/2023. Settlement is 06/06/2023 because options take 24 hours to settle. Now this is where I exited the trade, same day, because everything is going to be day trades in this account. Transaction date again 06/05/2023. Same put option that we bought, and the quantity is 14. The price that we sold it at is 41 cents, which is $41. So a little bit over 100% on each contract, which is double your money. Now, after taxes and fees, it's $564.89. Not bad for the first trade of the account, double the account in the first day. Let's get into the next one. Okay, so Tuesday, transaction date 06/06/2023. We opened the option on Tesla calls. Quantity, 7 contracts at 80 cents a piece. What it cost us was $564.55. This is where we closed the trade, 06/06/2023 again. Activity type, option sale, so we're closing the trade. Quantity 7, price $1.40, which is 140 per contract. So a little over 70, it's 75% actually, 75% profit on this trade. So just an example, you put $100, you get $75 on each 100 that you put. So I came out with $975.44 on this trade. So almost double the account again, but I'll take it. Close enough, good enough for the day. Okay, so now we're entering Tuesday, 06/07/2023. Option purchased. We entered the Tesla puts. Quantity, 8 contracts at $1.19. Again, $119 a piece. Total trade amount, 957 and 20 cents. Now you can see I'm switching back from puts to calls, depending on the days and what I see in the market. So we're playing both ways here. It's very important to be able and to learn to play both ways. So even if the market is up, you're doing good, and even if the market is going down, you can still be profitable off that. And this is where we close the trade. Transaction date 06/07/2023. Again, same day. Option sell, Tesla puts, put Tesla. Contracts, 8 contracts at $1.85. Again, $185. Total amount 14.74 and 79 cents. We got about 55% profit on this trade after commissions and fees, 14.74 and 79 cents. Not bad for the day. Okay, Thursday. Date again 06/08/2023. Option purchase. We're buying the option. Today we're playing the SPY. Call options on the SPY. Now this is where it gets fun because we already built a foundation. So quantity 50 contracts at 26 cents, $26 a contract. Total amount purchased 13.32 and 50 cents. Now in this trade I played it a little bit different, okay, but you can see transaction date 06/08, that's Thursday 2023. Option sell, SPY calls, call SPY, and quantity is 25. So I sold half, okay, at 52 cents, which is $52, which means I doubled, okay, 100% on this trade. So I sold half. Now I'm basically out with what I came in with after commissions. It's not exactly what I came in with. A few dollars here, a few dollars there, 1,283 and 74 cents. But I'm letting the other 25 contracts run. Now, I'm not letting the other contracts run just for the fun of it. It's because from what I saw in the chart and in the market, I believe that it could keep running, but I don't want to have so much leverage on the table, so I wanted to take out what I put in and then let the rest run. Worst case, I can't lose. Anyways, this is where we close the final trade. Date 06/08, Thursday again, 2023. Option sell, SPY calls, and 25 contracts I sold at 64 cents. So a little bit over 100%. Amount 15.83 and 74 cents. So if you do the math together, it's 15.83 and 74 cents and 12.83 and 74 cents minus the 13.32 that I came in with. So very nice profit on the day, more than 100% on the account on this trade alone. Okay, Friday. So last trading day of the week. Transaction date again 06/09/2023. Says pending sale. I mean pending purchase, but that's because the market's not open on Saturday. So Monday it's gonna say complete. Um, the symbol SPY. It was SPY puts again. Quantity 10 at 46 cents, which is $46. Total amount is 466 and 50 cents. I went a little bit, less on this trade. I didn't go as heavy. It's the last day of the week. No reason, to go super big and take too much risk. Unless I saw like a very good trade, but I didn't. It was very choppy and very uncertain. So I saw this trade. I said I'm going to go small on it and make a little bit of profit. I'm still going to be happy with that. And worst case, have a small loss. Okay, and this is where we close the trade. Again, transaction day 06/09/2023 on Friday. I did the same thing that I did on Thursday, where again, it's more than 100% profit. So I sold half, 5 contracts. We started with 10 contracts. I sold 5 of them for 103, which is $103. We purchased them at 46, so it's more than 100%. $511.74. So we're already in profit no matter what. Took out my money from the table and letting the rest run. And the last closing on Friday. Okay, again, Friday 06/09/2023, Friday. Now it does say pending sale here again, like the other ones, because it was on Friday. So Monday it's gonna say that it was completed. Again, SPY puts. You can see over here that I was selling it, and then the other one you can see that I was buying it. There's no minus on there. Sold at 118, $118 a contract, 586.74, and basically all profits plus whatever I took on the last one. So very good trade. I'm very happy with it. We didn't trade so big on Friday, but came out with a nice profit and grew the account. So let me show you guys how much the account is on after 1 week with starting with only $300. All right, and here's the final result that you've been waiting for. After starting with $300, the total amount of this account after 5 days of trading is $3,682.41. That's more than 12x on this account in 1 week. That's amazing. That does not happen all the time. And let me tell you, I usually do not trade every day in my personal account. I usually trade about twice to three times a week, only when I find A plus setups. When I'm trading these smaller accounts, it's easier to find small scalps and small setups, and obviously I'm trading a little bit more aggressively as well. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Hit the like button and let me know down in the comments below if there's anything else that you think I can make better or anything else that you have any questions about or you want to see. Stay tuned. Let's see where we can take this account next week.